Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down, tap on display section and click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness. As you can see, after that auto brightness is off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same one. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well and tap on those three dots on brightness slider. Then manage adaptive brightness from here and save your changes by tapping on done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!